Hustler Fund. I will take some questions on Hustler Fund. Yes, my good friend? Or there is somebody else? Yes?
Excellency, my name is Vincent Oyugi. I'm the chairman of Geek Connect International. And thank you for the good job. On the Hustler Fund, my question is, personally, I've supported widows, over 10,000 on the table banking. Can the Hustler Fund be made available for the local widows back in the village? I come from Ugenya constituency and I've managed to support 10,000 widows. Unfortunately, the Hustler Fund is not accessible to them. Thank you so very much. Finally, can all these funds, Your Excellency, be consolidated? I'm a finance expert and we have so many finances within, from Youth Fund, Women Fund, Hustler Fund. Can we have a bill passed so that either we have 2 or 3, so that even the elderly like us, because I'm 40 years old, can be able to access some of these funds? Thank you so much.
Mr. Oyugi, 40 is not old. I'm told life starts at 40. I want can the PS responsible for Hustler Fund, can you explain to Mr. Oyugi whether the women in the table banking space, whether they can have access to Hustler Fund?
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Make it brief.
Yes, the Hustler Fund is accessible to everybody, even those who have Mulika Mwizi. However, phone, you can still access Hustler Fund. You don't need any airtime, it's zero rated. But also, we have Hustler Fund group. When we launched, we realized that because of the digital divide, gender digital divide, so most of the women there were not accessing well. So, but right now we are engineering and we are going to come to groups. So you can mobilize them into groups, we'll be onboarding them, and then we help them now how to access the group loan. So it's there, it is accessible. Thank you.
Yes, and Mr. Oyugi, I agree with you. In fact, there was, I wanted to bring together all these funds, but we have many stakeholders and they are very protective about the different funds. But I think as we consolidate the practice and see which funds are doing well, I think we will eventually want to consolidate it into one fund. But I agree with you. I am a believer in table banking. I have seen what table banking can do, and it is the reason why we came up with a group loan. Maybe then you can liaise with my peers so that as they re-engineer, they can take into account some of your suggestions and the experiences you have from working with women under the table banking arrangement. Yes,